The automotive landscape is evolving rapidly, and the 2023 Hyundai Elantra Hybrid is making a bold statement in the hybrid sedan market. Priced competitively at around $23,000, this stylish and well-built 5-passenger sedan offers a roomy interior, impressive fuel economy, and a comfortable ride. As we delve into its performance, safety, interior space, technology features, pricing, and competition, it becomes clear that the Elantra Hybrid is not just a budget-friendly option but a formidable contender that has the potential to shake up the industry. Performance and fuel economy. Under the hood, the 2023 Hyundai Elantra Hybrid boasts a 1.6-liter GDI 4-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor, delivering a combined output of 139 horsepower and 195 lb-ft of torque. This powertrain ensures a smooth and responsive driving experience, with seamless transitions between gears and gas-electric modes. What truly sets the Elantra Hybrid apart is its exceptional fuel efficiency, with an impressive 53 mpg combined, 49 mpg city and 56 mpg highway, according to EPA estimates. This makes it an attractive choice for eco-conscious drivers seeking both performance and fuel economy in a hybrid sedan. Safety ratings and features. Safety is a paramount consideration, and the 2023 Hyundai Elantra Hybrid doesn't disappoint. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, awards it an overall safety rating of 5 out of 5 stars. With 4 stars in the frontal crash test and 5 stars in side crash and rollover tests. Standard safety features include a rear-view camera, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, automatic high beams, rear cross-traffic alert, and front and side automatic emergency braking. The higher-end limited trim goes even further, adding adaptive cruise control, rear automatic braking, and intersection collision avoidance. These accolades and safety features position the Elantra Hybrid as a compelling choice for those prioritizing safety in a hybrid sedan. Cargo space and interior room. Despite its classification as a small sedan, the 2023 Hyundai Elantra Hybrid surprises with a spacious interior and a practical cargo space. The trunk offers 14.2 cubic feet of storage, thanks to the clever placement of the hybrid battery beneath the rear seats. Accommodating up to 5 passengers, the Elantra Hybrid provides a generous passenger volume of 99.4 cubic feet. The rear seats can be folded down, expanding the cargo space and adding versatility for daily use. This combination of interior space and cargo practicality makes the Elantra Hybrid a sensible choice for those seeking both comfort and functionality in their hybrid sedan. Technology. In the realm of technology, the 2023 Hyundai Elantra Hybrid is well equipped to enhance the driving experience. The standard 8-inch infotainment display can be upgraded to a larger 10.25-inch display. Supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone integration. The car features a suite of driver assistance technologies, including forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and adaptive cruise control on the limited trim. The top-tier limited trim takes it a step further with a 10.25-inch digital gauge cluster, offering a customizable and high-resolution display of essential vehicle information. Additionally, the Hyundai Digital Key allows the driver to use their smartphone as a digital key, adding a touch of convenience. The customizable ambient interior lighting further contributes to an immersive driving experience. Pricing. With a starting price of around $23,000, the 2023 Hyundai Elantra Hybrid presents a compelling value proposition. The pricing extends to a range of $24,550 to $29,150, depending on the trim level and included features. It's important to note that these figures exclude options or fees, and the actual transaction price may vary based on factors such as dealer inventory and negotiation skills. Considering the features, performance, and fuel efficiency offered, the Elantra Hybrid stands out as a competitively priced option in the hybrid sedan market. Key competitors. In the fiercely contested hybrid sedan segment, the the 2023 Hyundai Elantra Hybrid faces notable competitors. The Toyota Corolla Hybrid, with its similar hybrid powertrain and competitive fuel economy, poses a challenge. The Honda Civic, known for reliability and efficiency, presents a strong contender with its upcoming hybrid variant. The Mazda 3, although not a hybrid, competes in the same compact sedan segment with its upscale interior and driving dynamics. The Nissan Sentra, offering a spacious interior and user-friendly infotainment, is another formidable player. Lastly, the Volkswagen Jetta, known for its comfort and upscale interior, adds to the array of options. In this diverse landscape, the Elantra Hybrid holds its ground by offering a balance of features, fuel economy, and driving dynamics. In conclusion, the 2023 Hyundai Elantra Hybrid emerges as a force to be reckoned with in the hybrid sedan market. Its combination of stylish design, commendable performance, outstanding fuel efficiency, robust safety features, spacious interior, and advanced technology make it a well-rounded choice for drivers seeking a reliable and efficient hybrid sedan. Priced competitively, the Elantra Hybrid stands out as a strong contender, proving that innovation and value need not come with a hefty price tag. As the automotive industry continues to evolve, the 2023 Hyundai Elantra Hybrid has certainly left an indelible mark, prompting even industry giants like Toyota to take notice. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our future videos.